back to Contractor Corner. I'm Gary Parker, joined again with Cameron Rappaport, our backflow specialist and all-around nice guy. We're here today talking about backflow preventers in general. These things look scary and mean, Cameron, but really they serve a purpose. They're really not that complicated. I want to walk through kind of what is backflow really, why do we need it, why do we use it, and kind of dive into some of what actually goes into these systems.
Yeah, so backflow itself is just defined as the unwanted reverse flow of any liquid, gas, or solid in a system. And basically what that means is that we use water for a lot of things. We mix water with stuff that makes it not drinking water anymore.
Yep.
And every time we do that, we want to make sure it's not coming back into a place where we could accidentally ingest it.
So all the bad stuff that potentially could compromise a water system, this guards against it.
Exactly. It can be anything from stagnant water in a fire sprinkler system to industrial processes where you're injecting chemicals that are potentially deadly into water. You really want to make sure that you're separating those systems from drinking. People always ask, does this really happen? Do we really get backflow? And the answer is yes. It doesn't happen very often. That's because we have very robust codes in the United States.
Sure.
But everything from, a garden hose, go outside, make sure on your hose bibs that you have some sort of vacuum breaker. They're small devices, but
You don't want some Clorox or car wash or something getting back up into your garden hose.
there was an example where someone was filling up a bunch of pesticide. They were diluting pesticide using their garden hose.
Yep.
They happened to get back siphonage, and it pulled that pesticide all the way into the water main. They had to replace the water mains for dozens of homes.
So we don't want to do that for the end user's kids, anybody that could potentially get affected by that.
Exactly. We're very, very lucky here that we have extremely safe drinking water, and backflow prevention is a very important part of it.
You want to learn more, where do we go?
Go to watts.com or you ask your local rep.
Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, Cameron.